Yo guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to fix the sunroof rattle on your B7 A4. It'll probably be the same for a few other generations of the A4 and maybe a couple other models of the Audi, maybe some Volkswagens as well. So check out this video, see if you have a similar mechanism, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you have to do is take out this little accordion thing. You pull on the back end of it and the bottom will come out of the tracks, and then pull a little bit harder on the top because it's going to be stuck in with some pins. Next you got to do 3 screws. Make sure you're doing this on both sides, of course. Undo these screws and then everything should be able to come off. So you can see, you take the glass off and now you're moving to the next step, which is the shield. So there are actually 4 screws you got to take off on that little cover shield, or like the sunroof cover. That I'm pointing out right now. Take those screws out as well, and then these little metal covers, you're gonna have to pull them up a little bit and slide them back towards the back end of the car, so that you can take out this shield, or like the cover. So you pull those back on both sides, and once you've done that, you will see that I've shown you that I've done it. Easy. It should be very easy to just take this out, take the little cover out, and now you have access to the space between the roof and the headliner right there. And as you can see, there's that gap. Here I'm pointing out what's causing the rattle. As you can see, there's this piece that's banging against the metal, and on this side you can see it's banging against the metal. So there's actually a piece that's a lot further down on these tracks, and you're gonna have to be fishing for it. Here I'm pointing it out. That's the piece. You're gonna have to fish that out from back there. As you can see here, maybe not the best method, but I'm using a crowbar to pull it out, and here I've just pulled it out. As you can see, it is a little bit of a struggle. You're gonna have to work your way with it, but once you got it, as I believe I will get it close here, I'll show you what it looks like as well, so that you know what you're really reaching for. But usually it should be on both sides of the tracks. So this is what it looks like. It's this bigger piece. One part of it's in the tracks, and then there's this plastic bit that might fall off as well. So this plastic bit actually connects the two pieces, the part that's actually rattling as well as the part that's on the track. So you're going to put it in that metal piece. This little black plastic piece is going to go into the metal piece, and you're going to slide it back until you get to that little bar that was rattling. And once you push it back there, you're going to hook it in. So you're going to try to press it in, as I'm showing you here. So the metal bar is going to go into that black plastic bit. And so once you've got that metal bar pressed in there, it should be done rattling. This should be the fix. As you can see, this piece actually, it shouldn't move forward or backward either. Once you've got it in there, it shouldn't move at all, and the bar above it shouldn't move either. Next, you're going to start by putting in the shield. So now we're just kind of going backwards in the steps, putting the shield in, making sure that you don't lose those screw in places. Here I'm pointing out that you're going to have to move the sunroof back a little bit in order to get to that screw. Once you've got that done, you can put the glass back on it, but you may notice that the glass goes a little bit too far. So when you're screwing in the screws on the side, you got to make sure that you're pushing it up a little bit. So here I'm showing you pushing it up with my thumb, and then you got to put the screws in. Here's a little trick I learned, because it's going to be a tight fit. Put some paper towel in between the screw and the screwdriver, and it'll hold harder. Once you get all the screws in, I'm showing you how to put the accordion thing back in. So it's got those pins. You're going to put it into these 2 locations here on the side. And once you've got them lined up, you just push them in hard, and this bottom bit slides onto the tracks pretty intuitively. You just kind of press it in there. And once you've got that done on both sides, you should have it completely fixed. This took about 30 minutes in my case, but hopefully this helped. If it did, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully we'll have some more tutorials that'll help you out.